stock bottom end, stock Kong exported blower. Stock lid, that is ridiculous. I have no idea what it's getting, so I'm going to make a text right now.
Okay.
No, it's getting a nice tank and a cam. That's it. I don't know what else.
Well, wait. I'll wait till you know.
Still have no idea what this thing is getting. So
it's fine.
I'm just porting the blower, or taking the blower off so it can get ported now. Getting a cam, navy meth, and a nice tank.
This Inferno orange is a nice color.
Yeah. This is on my. Eat them. You can't put that in the fucking movie.
Can't put that in the movie.
Dude, I'm like a cluster bomb in my head.
Blower off. Ready to head to Kong.
You would have been out here doing your job. You would have saw that it has a leaky brick and there's fucking corn inside the blower.
That's not good.
Probably the same thing your car's doing.
Yeah, I got that matte biome reinforcement.
Got Sharpie over there. Yeah, I did whip the fucking cap off to make the mark that I fucking just didn't make.
I think how you do the meth controller and stuff in these is super clean.
Yep. This takes a while. Get all that out, file it out. It takes a minute to get it right.
How's your meth stuff coming along on this?
The tank's mounted.
Eric, you doing alright back here?
I was until you shut off our fucking music. You want an honest answer?
Looking good.
Yeah, I know, Garrett. I know, buddy.
What more do you have left back
I mean, you really killed the vibe right there. I mean, I got to run 2 lines to the front. I'm done. Nice. And you missed everything. It's a shame, but you did. You really missed all the hard work. All the stuff that I fixed up, prepared. I mean, look under the hood. It just looks amazing. Just looks like a fucking dream. ZR1 dream.
Does look very good.
I mean, then you got the fittings going perfect into the hole. Unbelievable. You missed out on so much. I'm just disappointed. That's what you get when you're over in the corner fucking beating off.
Yeah.
2012 Inferno Orange ZR1. The best of the best color, I feel, in the C6 ZR1s. I had the opportunity to buy this car, and I did not. I just don't need it. I got a bunch of other stuff and other places I'd rather put my money. So I passed it on to one of my other customers. The guy, Corey, who we had built a silver ZR1 for. He bought this, and it was basically like full bolt-on, no cam before. So ported blower, regular ported blower, headers, etc., etc. Before. And I don't remember how much power it made from the old owner, but whatever. Corey sent it to us, and we just did a cam and export, and we changed the ice tank out of his silver car, so it kept the one that was in there, and we put it in here. I don't know, you guys saw what else we did. I forget what else we did, but did a bunch of stuff. I'd like this thing to make 900. I just made a couple pulls off camera, not full pulls, but just dialing in the meth and air fuel and all that stuff, and it just made, I revved it to 5,800 and it just made like 840. So we're gonna see how much boost it makes, etc., and what power it makes. And I don't know if we're gonna need to change the pulley or not, but if we do, then we have a different one or whatever. But I'll make a full pull and I'll see where we're at, and we'll go from there. 867 torque, so they just say it will make 900. I still have timing to go. It'll make 900.
Yeah, I was gonna say, it looks like it's gonna make 900 pretty easily.
Pulled a little bit of fuel out of it and added a degree of timing. It's still stock bottom end car, by the way. Stock bottom end 2300. Well, it made 900. 925, 785. I forgot to tell you guys. This is on full E right now because he just always ran it on E. So that's what was in the tank. So I'll tune it on this and then I'll drain it out and I'll put pump on it and just make sure it's safe and fine on pump gas. He won't ever drive it on pump, but that's just how I do it. I'll make sure it's good on pump. That's stout for a stock bottom end 2300 car. 19.3 pounds. That's fucking stout, bro. I mean, judging on the tune that I got in here, this thing might make 950. If it makes 935 or more right now, it will make 950. I just texted Corey and asked him his guess on what he thinks it'll make. He said 873 is his guess. And his help, which I guess like his buddies or whatever, one said 917 and one said 937. I said, well, two of those numbers have already been beat. I'll let you know on the third in here right now. Come on. Fuck. Battery. It's because the fucking coolant pump is running with just key on. So let me actually, and we have two pumps on this. We have the rear pump in the tank and we have the badass Lingenfelter pump up front. Be right back when the battery charges up. $933, 776. I think I gotta pull some fuel out of it right in the middle, right when the meth comes on. So this thing is exceeding my expectations. Like I said, I told him I think we could make 900 with it. He said he would be very happy with that. I'm gonna make one more pull and I'm gonna let this thing chill. I'm gonna let the battery charge up a little bit. Having these pumps on is killing the battery. All right, well the thing popped off, the battery charger popped off. So put it back on, now we're good. Basically the same, 933, 932, 783. I'm gonna let this thing cool down. We'll be back. All right, let this thing cool down for like maybe 30 minutes or something like that. Oh my goodness. This motherfucker just made 985.
That was the biggest one.
821 torque and shot a massive fireball. Holy shit. Stock bottom end, stock Kong exported blower. Stock lid. That is ridiculous. Oh my god. And I don't have a lot of timing in it either. I don't know what to say. My god. I mean, that's almost 1,000 wheel on a stock blower. Well, call it stock blower, stock bottom end. So if you know that these things stock bottom end, they're like 9 to 1 or 9.5 to 1, whatever they are. I think they're 9 to 1. That's sick. I don't know. I'll be right back. All right, we just ran a different wire to the fuse box because the voltage was dropping a decent amount during a pull, so we put an upgraded wire from the alternator to the fuse box. And it's actually up like a full volt, so we're just gonna make a pull. I didn't change anything. Just gonna make sure fueling doesn't change, because another volt to everything is a big difference. Actually let out early. Still made 961. It was on a pretty close path with the other one. 14.4 up high now.
What it should be.
Yeah, so fucking way better. Yeah, 14.4 at 6,700. So it picked up 2 volts up high.
I mean, that cable just does exactly what we just did. We just added an extra.
Goes from the alternator to the bottom of the fuse box.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we needed to fucking do that. That was literally, as soon as I floor it, it goes from 13.3 up to 14.5 and stays there.
Then we need to make something. I've never ever had to do that.
Yeah, I've done it on a couple cars in the past.
It's weird we didn't have to do it on yours. Crazy.
Yeah, that's significantly better. 14.5 fucking voltage on this thing now.
I mean, I've seen way more shit tied into a fuse box too.
Yeah, I mean, either way, that's fucking killer. I don't really have any words for this thing. This thing is straight gangster. He's got a set of forge lines with bead locks and shit on it. This thing's rowdy. He's got 2 rowdy ass ZR1s now, so this thing should be fun. That's it. Later.